Pierce. I'm a senior at Wellsboro High School. I am our chapter vice president.
Hi, I'm Garrett Kaltenbach. I'm a senior at Wellsboro Area High School, and I'm serving as our chapter president. So the project came about last year in 24. I've always wanted to restore a tractor. I wanted to restore my grandpa's John Deere A, but never got around to do that. And Jordan and I were working at our consignment auction that we do with our chapter, and him and I were walking around, and we both thought it'd be a great idea to restore a Ford 8N that we found in one of the lines. The project's currently taking place at one of our local alumni members' farm. He has a big garage on his farm that we were using to do all the restoration on the tractor.
We started the restoration by taking the sheet metal off of the tractor. After we took the sheet metal and other smaller parts off the tractor, we started sanding and grinding the old paint and rust off the tractor. After the paint and rust was off the tractor, we put masking tape over all the holes and fine parts in the tractor to where dust and stuff can't get in them in the painting process. After we put masking tape on them, we rubbed paint thinner on the tractor to get all the dust and particles off the tractor. After that, we put 2 layers of primer on the tractor. After the primer, we put 2 coats of paint on the tractor. This is going to be a yellow paint on the base of the tractor. After the paint, we got the tractor up and we got the parts back on the tractor and the tractor up and running, and that's where we are today.
The most challenging part, I think, was not having a heated shop, which was difficult because we had to go a couple hours before we were going to start on the tractor just to get the shop to warm up, to get the tractor up to temp, so that way the paint stuck and we weren't wasting any product.
The most rewarding part of this project was probably getting to see all our hard work paying off.
The most rewarding part of the project for me was just being able to hang out with our local alumni and learn from their knowledge that they have with tractors, and them really showing me more about tractors, how the whole restoration project goes, because I didn't really have very much knowledge about all that until we started working with them.
I gained communication skills with setting up times with everyone and talking to sponsors and getting donations. I also gained skills like painting in this process.
One skill that I think I gained in particular was painting. I've never painted a piece of equipment that big before, and it was cool to see how the whole process worked and how you had to take certain steps for the paint. After the tractor is complete and we're all done at the farm show, we plan on raffling it off and donating most of the proceeds back to our chapter. We probably split it, or we don't know what the total amount will be, because we will probably reimburse ourselves from the money that we spent on the tractor.
You got it! You got it!